Learn to make a healthy smoothies with a simple tips and recipes. A glass of green goddess smoothie sits next to fruits on a table. A smoothie is a thick but smooth liquid that contains pureed fruit and/or vegetables, as well as a liquid base such as water, juice, or any type of milk. Seeds, supplements, nuts, and nut butters are common additives. You can add a variety of things to a smoothie and blend it up. All you need is a blender, some ice, and the ingredients for the smoothie you want to try. Smoothies are often a great way to get the recommended dose of fruits and veggies in your diet. You'll often see pre-made smoothies sold at health food stores and fitness centers, but not all smoothies offer the same health benefits. In fact, many are packed with sugar and carbs, which can weigh you down and cause you to feel sluggish. Whether you are buying pre-made smoothies or blending them yourself, it is important to pay attention to each ingredient to make sure you are getting the most nutrition out of your smoothie. Replacing some ingredients with healthier options can lighten the macronutrients and make it a much healthier choice. For example, nut butter and Greek yogurt are two healthy additions to boost the protein of a smoothie. It's important to strike a healthy balance between fruits, vegetables, protein, and healthy fats. When prepared with the right ingredients, smoothies can be a great healthy snack or meal replacement. Healthy smoothie recipes. Here are a few smoothie recipes to get you started. Green Goodness Smoothie. 1 medium banana. Half cup frozen or fresh blueberries. 1 cup fresh spinach. Half cup coconut water. Half cup low or non-fat milk. 1 scoop whey protein powder, optional. Instructions. 1. In a blender, place banana, blueberries, spinach, coconut water, and milk. If using, add optional protein powder. 2. Blend until smooth. Nutrition facts per serving: calories, 430, carbohydrates, 54, fat, 17 grams, protein, 20 grams, sodium, 60 milligrams, fiber, 8 grams. Chocolate peanut butter smoothie. 1 medium banana. 1 tablespoon. Peanut butter or nut butter. Half cup chocolate almond milk. 1/4 cup non-fat Greek yogurt. Half cup ice cubes. Instructions. 1. Place banana, nut butter, almond milk, and yogurt into a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. Nutrition facts per serving: calories, 396, carbohydrates, 45, fat, 10 grams, protein, 11 grams, sodium, 52 milligrams. 4 ingredients strawberry smoothie. Ingredients: 10 frozen strawberries. 1 cup ice. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 cup yogurt. Instructions. 1. Crush the ice before putting it into the blender. 2. Add the rest of the ingredients to the blender until smooth. Nutrition facts per serving: calories 234, vertical bar total fat 3.4 grams, vertical bar cholesterol 15 milligrams, vertical bar sodium 180 milligrams, vertical bar total carbohydrate 32.2 grams, vertical bar dietary fiber 2.4 grams, vertical bar total sugars 28.9 grams, vertical bar protein 14.8 grams. Cinnamon roll breakfast smoothie. Ingredients: half cup rolled oats. 3/4 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon brown sugar or coconut sugar. 1 cup almond milk. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Half a teaspoon vanilla. 1 frozen banana. Instructions. 1. Place all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. 3. Serve and enjoy. Nutrition facts per serving: calories, 220 kilocalories, carbohydrates, 37 grams, protein, 11 grams, fat, 3 grams, cholesterol, 3 milligrams, sodium, 193 milligrams, potassium, 390 milligrams, fiber, 4 grams, sugar, 15 grams. Pineapple coconut mock mojito smoothie. Ingredients: half ripe avocado, 12 ounces. If you are new here, please don't forget to click on subscribe button, like and share, leave your comment below, that help us a lot, that shows you like what we are doing here. If you have subscribed already, thanks for stopping by. Alright, let's get back to our video. Coconut milk. Half cup coconut yogurt. 2 tablespoons. Lime juice, or to taste. 1 teaspoon. Vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon. Maple syrup. Half cup fresh or frozen pineapple. Ice. Mint leaves, optional. Instructions. 1. In a blender, combine all ingredients plus 4 to 6 mint leaves, if using. 2. Add ice and blend well. 3. Garnish with mint sprig, optional. Serve cold. Nutrition facts per serving: calories, 283, carbohydrates, 23 grams, fat, 21 grams, protein, 4 grams, sodium, 13 milligrams. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.